Hello everybody. I wanted to share something with you today that I think you're going to find quite exciting. And you'll remember from some of my earlier updates that I was really loving the fresh coconut water. And around here actually there's a lot of coconut trees, and the coconuts are actually accessible pretty much by hand. So I went to the local hardware store and lo and behold, I got my own machete. And I was thinking, well, they're probably going to charge me anywhere between 50 and 80 bucks for a machete. $4.75 for this thing. I mean, it's massive. I don't know if you can see in comparison to my leg. Anyways, there is a certain art to working with the coconuts. First of all, it's about selecting the size of the coconuts. And they can't be too small or else the coconut water isn't yet sweet. And if they're a little too mature, they actually kind of start to taste a little bit bland as well. So the key is getting the coconuts at the right size. I was biking home today from Spanish class and I found the perfect size coconut that had fallen from the tree. So we're going to go outside, I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to cut it open. You can see how it all works. So let's go outside. Okay, so you can see on the table I've got my machete, I've got two coconuts. The small one actually has a split in it, and you can see right here that that split is not good. That may mean that the juice has already been exposed to the air or the water, so it's not going to be usable. This coconut here is a grace from God because it's undamaged and it's of the good size and it's totally green, which means the water inside is going to be super fresh. So let's get started. The secret has a lot to do with how you hit, the angle that you hit, etc., etc. And I don't want to wreck this table, so you have to be kind of careful of that. Generally you want to take it at an angle and like this. You really got to be careful of your other hand that you don't slip out of focus and just, cut off a finger. So the husk here is actually pretty thick. There comes a point when you can access the shell, which is the harder nut, and then you just sort of give it a good blow. Once that's the case, generally you can puncture it. Actually, I have another knife for the puncture. Okay, so this is just a kitchen knife, and again, you got to be careful with your fingers. You don't want to stab yourself. This is not how they actually do it here, but this machete that I got is not that sharp, so I can't really do it the proper way. Okay, I think we got a hole in it now. So again, this one was broken, so I'm not sure how much juice is left in it. Either I haven't punctured in or there's no juice left. Yeah, this one's empty. Throw that out. Okay. Once again, you want to aim on an angle. You might be surprised at how much liquid actually comes out. Okay, so this is a 6-cup blender. Check that out, baby. Let me get the camera and watch that. Right, so, yeah, we got probably closer to 1.5 cups out of 1 coconut, which was free, except for the Machete at $4.75. I'm just going to have a quick sip because I just want to check and make sure it's good. It's got that sweetness. You know, coconut water, it's not that sweet, but it's just so fresh. It's actually a lot better cold, and check this out. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, I rounded up a bunch of coconuts, and check this out. I actually had this thing totally full. Totally full. I mean, basically overflowing. This is pure free coconut water from the hands of my own Machete. And this stuff is, I mean, it's truly heavenly. So that's what I wanted to share with you.